Thank you, Charles, very much. We'll now present the Kathleen Grimm Medal for Distinguished Public Service. In 2014, Kathy Grimm, an alumna and trustee of New York Law School, was awarded the President's Medal at Commencement on this very stage. In February of 2015, after her passing, New York Law School established this award in her honor and memory for her inspiring leadership, her distinguished service to the law school, and her long record of dedication to public service. I am pleased to now invite Paula Grimm, Kathy's sister, to present the Kathleen Grimm Medal. Paula?
Thank you, Arthur, and congratulations to all the class of 2016. I can think of nothing more suitable to my sister's memory than to honor this year's medal recipient. And on behalf of my sisters, 8 siblings, 10 nieces and nephews, and their families, it is my pleasure to present the Kathleen Grimm Medal to Christine Maggiore, class of 2016. Details. Congratulations, Christine. You are indeed a woman whose actions and character so completely reflect those embodied by this award. It is a privilege to stand here with you in the light that you have created already in your experience. By embracing a career of service to others, you set a profound example to each one of us here in this great hall today. We are well aware paths in public service will certainly encounter challenges and disappointments, but also great satisfaction. So, please look around you. If ever your journey feels too difficult or lonely, it is our hope the memory of this moment and the resonant sound of the applause to follow will lift your spirits. Congratulations.
I'm extremely honored to accept the Kathleen Grimm Medal today, and it is a blessing to be the first student to receive this award. I am so eternally grateful for all of those who were involved in making this determination. I am also forever grateful for my loving and supportive family. I love my family. The amazing staff here at the law school, and my law school friends during these incredible 3 years. If not for all of you, I would never have been able to achieve all that I have accomplished. I've never been a person who did things for others to receive praise, but it is amazing to be recognized and appreciated. To be honored in Miss Grimm's likeness at this early stage of my career is something I could have only dreamed of, but today it is my reality. In my statement of interest for law school, I said I wanted to be a lawyer because I wanted to be a voice for those who could not speak out against the injustices they are faced with. That statement was true then, and it is true now. When you find yourself orphaned at the age of 4, and as loss follows you as you grow up moving household to household, at times exposed to the worst of humanity, opportunities to help others seem impossible because you think every day, why me, and who's gonna help me? Until I learned I had to help myself. I knew early on I had 2 choices, either fall victim to my circumstances or rise above them. And despite all the obstacles stacked against me, I rose above them and into a position where my statement of interest is no longer words, but actions. I'm a firm believer that we go through things for a reason, and sometimes that reason is to just be help for someone else. Former Mayor Bloomberg once said that Ms. Grimm had the power to make everyone around her better, and that is a quality we should all strive for. I can only hope that in sharing my story, I have done that for others. In addition to echoing Ms. Grimm's dedication to public service, I echo her love and passion for New York Law School. At a time when very few believed in me, New York Law School did. And New York Law School provided me so many opportunities to pursue my passion for public interest. The opportunities afforded to me here have prepared me for my career. In joining the Kings County District Attorney's Office as an Assistant District Attorney is an honor. But more importantly, it is an obligation to serve the public and uphold justice, regardless of what face justice takes in every case. In accepting this award, I also accept the responsibility which accompanies it. There could never be another Kathleen Grimm, but her legacy has paved the way for myself and every one of you to take time out of the craziness that is life and help someone else. The happiness of receiving is nothing compared to the gratification and satisfaction of giving. As lawyers, we stand on a platform that many people look upon as a beacon of hope. And we should all make a promise to ourselves today to never become blinded by our successes and never reach a point in our lives where we feel we are too good to help those in need. Ms. Grimm's success in serving the public stemmed from her courage to take risks and not fearing speaking her mind. In accepting this honor, I vow to continue my mission in serving public interest and to every day remember these qualities and make myself better, so I can in turn continue to give back to others. Thank you.
Thank you, Christine, and congratulations. Just extraordinary. It is now my great privilege to introduce to you Judge Mark J. Whiten, a member of our Board of Trustees and the president of our Alumni Association. He was appointed as a judge in 2007 by Mayor Bloomberg, and he currently presides in New York City Criminal Court in Bronx County as an acting Supreme Court Justice and Deputy Supervising Justice of the Criminal Court. He's a graduate from New York Law School and Carroll College in Wisconsin, and his legal career includes service as an assistant district attorney and supervisor in the Bronx, as an associate in the firm of Bauer and Gardner, and as a partner in the firm of Armienti, DeBellis, and Whiten. He is the son of a Tuskegee Airman and heritage member of the Tri-State Claude B. Govan chapter of the Tuskegee Airmen. He resides in the Bronx with his wife and daughters. Judge?
Good afternoon. I bring you greetings from the board membership of the New York Law School Alumni Association. This day represents an accomplishment that you and your families can be very proud of and celebrate. While you have been students at New York Law School for 3 or 4 years, that status ends today. From students to graduates to attorneys admitted to the practice of law, you will continue to transition. One status, however, will not change. You see, today, you all become members of the New York Law School Alumni Association. You are members for life. There is an open door and a warm welcome of an organization created to promote your interest as alumni, keep you engaged in the life of the school, and provide meaningful ways for you to give back to the community and ease the path for those who will follow you. We look forward to your participation and energy to help us sustain our important work supporting New York Law School, our students, and alumni. On a personal note, I've had the great honor to get to know many of you through my involvement with the school. I just heard the last awardee indicated she's going to be at the Kings County DA's office, and she can look up Chloe Egard, who was a former intern of mine, when she gets over there, and tell her I said to take care of you. But I've had interns. I've tried to serve as a mentor to many of you, and I've attended events and become familiar with so many of you. And what I've learned is that you are a dynamic group who we are proud to send out into the world to achieve great things and to help build our profession. Hold fast to your dreams and your high expectations. Seize them and always strive for excellence, because that is in your grasp. Good luck, thank you, and congratulations.